it's Nia here from iPegs, and in this video I'm going to show you our new label width setting. This will allow you to decrease or increase the label width for each field on your forms. So let's go ahead and set that up. So to set the label width for your forms, first you'll need to go into the Form Manager, then click on the cog next to the form and click on Edit. Then click on Form and PDF Colors and Settings, and you'll see this new field called Label Width. Now currently it is set to 35%, and that looks as so on the form. So I'm going to go ahead and decrease it down to 20. Click on Save. And then if we just refresh this page, you can see that the label width has been decreased to 20% of the page width. So to increase, we'll just do the same again, click on Edit again, and this time we're going to increase it to 50%. So we click on Save, refresh this page, and we can see that this is what it looks like when the field label's set to 50%. You can also set the field label width depending on the specific field on the form. Now to do that, you'll need to go into the Form Manager again, click on the cog and click on Form Builder. Now when we look at the form, we can see that each field is using the default label width of 35% and each one is set exactly the same. However, we can set the width specifically for each field. To do that, click on Edit next to the field which you want to amend, then click on Advanced, and then go to the label width setting here. Now to use the default form label width, which is set in the form settings, which I've just showed you, you can simply just enter 0 and it will use the setting on that page. But we can also increase and decrease by field. For example, I want the date field label to have a width of 20 rather than the default 35. So I'll enter 20, click on Save, save the form, and then if we refresh this page, we can see that only the date field label has been decreased. So you can do this to each field on all of your forms. So for example, if I want a longer field label to be displayed, I can go on Advanced, Label Width, increase it to 45, click on Save, save again, refresh the page, and we can see that this field label has actually been increased. So it's completely up to you how you customize it, but that was a short video showing you how to set up the new function of the field label widths. Thank you very much for watching, and if you need any help, please reach out to us.